Hi guys, it's Miss Halligan, and so I'm going to be sending this to your Canvas email to talk a little bit about retakes and kind of expectations for that in case you missed Friday's lesson. I'm not posting this in the recorded lessons because usually I don't post Fridays, but I think this is such important information, so make sure you're listening carefully. Okay, first things first, retakes will be offered Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and they will be posted in your Canvas inbox or as an announcement, whichever is easier for you all. I'm figuring it out. And so when you are going to go to your Zoom, it's either going to be me, who will be there Monday, Miss Snodgrass will be there Tuesday, she's a language arts teacher on the Links team, or Miss Bays, who is a language arts teacher on the Bobcat team. And we're just taking that to kind of divide and conquer. You will have your answers already given to you, and so when you look at your test, you can see what you got wrong, and then you fill out a Google form that will be available to you in the week 9 modules. When you give a retake, you answer the question in the race strategy. So I will provide the answer for you. You just have to prove to me why that is the correct answer. That score will fully replace your score in Infinite Campus, okay? Even if you want to retake 2 questions, that's still points that you get back in your grade. That won't hurt you. This will only help you, okay? If you have any questions about the retake, no red ink, or how grades are ending in 1 week, just email me. I'm here for you always, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You guys got this, okay? We want our grades to be good, but remember, you earn grades, I don't give grades. If you have any questions, email me. Love y'all. Have a great weekend and enjoy this weather.